Hello guys. Okay, so how does this look? I know you're liking it. All right, let me show you how to make some bomb chicken and deliciously made chickpea recipe, guys. But first, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so as you can see, we have added the chickpeas along with some spices, and we're gonna go ahead and cook that over 45 minutes. We're gonna boil it for 45 minutes. Make sure that you were able to soak the chickpeas in water overnight, guys. It helps to soften it up faster as you cook it. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start with butter, ginger, garlic, and pepper, guys. You know that these three ingredients put together is literally it brings a bursting of flavors already. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and add lemon. This is more of a lemon butter chicken. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my chicken and make sure that it cooks each side for about 8 to 11 minutes. Alright guys, so if you have some heavy cream in your fridge, you're gonna go ahead and bring that out. The heavy cream was a little bit too thick for me, so I mixed a little bit of water in it. That's why it's a little bit diluted. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that over our chicken. I poured about half a cup. You can pour more according to how thick you want the sauce or how loose you want the sauce to be. Okay guys, so as you can see, the sauce around it is already thickening. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add some parsley leaves as well as lemon. Alright guys, so as our chicken has been put on low heat, because we're already 20 minutes in the cooking, it literally takes 20 minutes to make this chicken recipe. Okay, so as you could see, the chickpeas is still cooking. We have about 25 more minutes for the chickpeas to be done. Now I waited for 25 more minutes. In total, I cooked the chickpeas for 45 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and add the chickpeas. And guys, remember the organic leaves and the spices that we added to the chickpeas in the beginning of the video? We are going to blend that and add it onto the mixture, okay? So what I used was that I used the red residue from the chicken. I added the chickpeas and then blended the spices from the chickpea sauce onto this mix. Awesome guys, so after cooking the chickpeas in this delicious sauce for about 15 more minutes, it is done guys. This is bursting with flavor, guys. I mean, it's really bursting with flavor, and I can't wait for you to try it. I'm gonna go ahead and dish this up in a very fancy plate. You know how we do it on First Class, you know, come on. So we're gonna go ahead and add our chicken, our lemon, and our parsley leaves, okay, for presentation, guys. You know what? I cannot wait for you to try this. Please try it and let me know. You will love it. Thank you so much for joining me here on First Class Cook.